Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a triple chocolate cheesecake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then separate the filling from 14 of the chocolate-filled Oreos. And set aside the filling for now. Then place the cookie parts into a food processor, or you can put them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. And process them until they're somewhat fine, but not super fine. And add in the melted butter. And mix it in until it's combined. And finish it by hand to make sure it's all mixing in. And the way I like to prepare the springform pan is to remove the sides and add a sheet of parchment paper onto the base of the pan. And add the sides back into place. And cut off the excess using scissors. Then pour the crust into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. And use the flat side of a cup to really pack it in. And bake it in the oven for about 5 minutes until it's set. Try not to overbake it. Then to make the cheesecake filling, chop up the dark chocolate into small pieces. And pour it into a heat-proof bowl. And heat it either in the microwave or over a double boiler until it's melted. And set it aside and let it cool slightly. And do the same thing with the Oreo filling. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese. And beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for a minute until it's smooth. And add in the melted Oreo filling. Mix it in until it's combined. And add in the sugar. And mix it in. And also the cocoa powder. And mix it in until it's combined. Scrape down the sides if you need to. And continue mixing it until it's combined. And add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each one that you add in. And add in the cooled melted chocolates that we had before. And mix it in until it's combined. And pour it into the cooled crust. And spread it until it's even. bake it in the oven for about an hour. You'll know it's ready when you shake it if it only jiggles in the center and not all the way to the edges. It will crack, but that's fine because it's going to be topped with the chocolate ganache. And once it's ready, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours, or overnight is even better. Then to make the chocolate ganache, pour the hot heavy cream over the chopped semi-sweet chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. And stir it until it's combined. Then pour it over the top of the chilled cheesecake and spread it out to the edges. Then shake and tap the pan to level it out. And refrigerate it for at least a half an hour until the ganache is set. And once it's ready, remove it from the fridge and gently run a butter knife around the edges. Then place it onto your serving plate and remove the sides of the pan. And also remove the base and the parchment paper from underneath. And to make clean slices, use a sharp knife that's dipped in hot water. And make sure to clean it off between cuts. And that's how to make a triple chocolate cheesecake. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.